Number 260. Two power-driven vessels are crossing within 1/2 mile of each other, with Vessel P as the stand-on vessel, and Vessel Q as the give-way vessel. Vessel P sounds 2 short blasts on the whistle. What signal should Vessel Q sound? Answer: 5 short and rapid blasts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.